viewers. In this session, we are discussing about class Basidiomystes and class Deuteromystes in kingdom fungi in the chapter biological classification. In our previous video, we are completed two classes in kingdom fungi. Those are Phycomystes and Ascomystes. Let us discuss today Basidiomystes and Deuteromystes. Third class is Basidiomystes. These are commonly known forms of mushrooms, bracket fungi, or puffballs. They are commonly known as mushrooms, bracket fungi, or puffballs. Its common name is club fungi. Commonly, Basidiomystes are called as club fungi. Phycomystes, commonly called as algal fungi. Algal fungi is Phycomystes. And Ascomystes, commonly called as sac fungi. Sac fungi is Ascomystes. And here Basidiomystes are commonly, they are called club fungi. Phycomystes are algal fungi, Ascomystes are sac fungi. Basidiomystes are club fungi. These members of Basidiomystes, they grow in soil, on logs and tree stumps. They can grow in soil, on logs and tree stumps. And some members of Basidiomystes are parasites. They are parasites in living plant bodies. Rusts and smuts. Example is rusts and smuts. And the mycelium of Basidiomystes is branched and septate. Mycelium is branched and septate. In Basidiomystes, mycelium is branched and septate. It shows branches, and hyphae are septate. Septa is present and many compartments are present with one nuclei in Basidiomystes. Phycomystes. In Phycomystes, hyphae is aseptate. Phycomystes, hyphae is aseptate. There is no septa. So that hyphae shows many nucleus. So that hyphae is called multinucleated aseptate condition. Aseptate and multinucleate in Phycomystes. Members of Phycomystes. Hyphae is aseptate and cenocytic. The type of hyphae is called cenocytic hyphae. The type of hyphal member or mycelium is called cenocytic hyphae. Cenocytic hyphae observed in Phycomystes. And in Ascomystes, hyphae is branched and septate. Hyphae is branched and septate like Basidiomystes. So in Basidiomystes, mycelium is branched and septate. Septa is present and form different compartments. Each compartment contains a nucleus. Reproduction in Basidiomystes. Vegetative reproduction by fragmentation. It is occur with the help of fragmentation, means pieces. Each piece can give a new species. It is common reproduction in Basidiomystes. And asexual reproduction, asexual spores are not found in these members. So it means asexual reproduction is absent. These members, sexual organs also absent. Sexual organs are absent in these members. Sexual organs are absent. But it shows plasmogamy, karyogamy and meiosis. Plasmogamy means fusion of protoplasm. Fusion of protoplasm of two cells. Two cells. These two are hyphae members. And two cells are fused, then two nucleus are present, but nucleus are not fused. Nucleuses are not fused. Only cytoplasm, protoplasm is fused. That is called plasmogamy. At this stage, the cell is called dikaryotic phase or dikaryotic cell. Dikaryotic cell or dikaryotic phase. Two nucleus, each cell contains two nucleus. After some time, nucleus are fused. That is called karyogamy. Nucleus are fused. That is called as karyogamy. In this time, nucleus is in diploid state, that is 2n state. It undergoes meiosis to form 4 haploid spores. 4 haploid spores. It is occur in Basidia. Basidium. So sexual organs are absent in Basidiomystes, but plasmogamy, karyogamy and meiosis are found. Plasmogamy means fusion of protoplasm. It leads to dikaryotic phase. Dikaryotic cell. Each cell contains two nucleus. After karyogamy, karyogamy means fusion of nuclei. Result of that, diploid nucleus is present. That diploid nucleus undergoes meiosis to form 4 haploid basidiospores. These basidiospores are formed in fruiting body, that is a basidiocarp. These basidiospores are exogenous. So karyogamy and meiosis take place in basidium and they produce 4 basidiospores. Haploid basidiospores. These basidiospores are exogenous. They form outside the basidium or on the basidium. So that these are exogenous. These basidia are arranged in fruiting bodies. These fruiting bodies are called basidiocarps. Fruiting bodies are called as basidiocarps. Fruiting bodies of Basidiomystes is basidiocarps. Common members of Basidiomystes is Agaricus, commonly called as mushroom, Ustulago, these are called as smuts, Puccinia, commonly called as rust fungus, Polyporus, these are commonly called as bracket fungus, and Lycoperdon, these are commonly called as puffballs. This is Agaricus, commonly they are mushrooms. It is Istilago, causes smut disease on maize plant. Istilago. This is Puccinia. It causes rust fungus on wheat plant. And this is Polyporus, commonly called as bracket fungi. This is Lycoperdon, commonly called as puffball. Puffball, Lycoperdon. The next class is Deuteromycetes. Deuteromycetes, these are commonly known as imperfect fungi. Commonly known as imperfect fungi. Why? Because in these members there is no sexual stage. There is no sexual stage. So that these members are separated from Asco and Basidiomycetes. They kept special class, that is Deuteromycetes, because of the absence of sexual stage. And in these members, mycelium is septate and branched. Mycelium is septate and branched. Mycelium is branched and it shows septum. So these septums, they forms different compartments, many compartments. Each compartments have a nucleus, uninucleate cells, many cells. In Phycomycetes, mycelium is cenocytic, that is aseptate and multinucleate, only in Phycomycetes. But in the remaining classes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes and Deuteromycetes, these three members, mycelium is septate, branched. And some members of Deuteromycetes, they are saprophytes or parasites. They are present in, they can grow in dead and decaying organic materials. Decomposers of litter and help in mineral recycling. They help in mineral recycling. Deuteromycetes, in these members, they have only asexual or vegetative phases. It means sexual stage is absent. No sexual phase. So that these are called imperfect fungi. Why? Because absence of sexual phase. If it contains a sexual phase also, then these members are kept in Ascomycetes or Basidiomycetes. They have no sexual phase, so that these are separated and kept in separate class, that is Deuteromycetes. Members of, some example of Deuteromycetes, Alternaria. It causes early blight disease. Coletotrichum, it causes red rot disease. Trichoderma, it is a fungicide, used as fungicide. It is Alternaria, it causes early blight disease. Coletotrichum, it causes red rot disease in sugarcane plants. Trichoderma viridae, it is used as fungicide, a potential biocontrol agent for soil-borne diseases. This is about classes of kingdom fungi. And the next one is kingdom Plantae. Kingdom Plantae, it includes all eukaryotic chlorophyll containing organisms. Plants are eukaryotes, all cells are eukaryotes, and it contains chlorophyll pigment. They perform photosynthesis. So these are called as plants. Some plants are partially heterotrophic. Some plants are partially heterotrophic, like that. Some are insectivorous, like bladderwort, venus flytrap. Venus flytrap is Dionia. So these are insectivorous plants. Normally plants are autotroph. Some are partially heterotroph, like bladderwort, Venus flytrap, and some are parasites like Cuscuta. Cuscuta is a complete stem parasite. Cuscuta, Viscum, Loranthus, Belenophora, Striga, Santalum. These are all parasitic members on other plants. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. In plants, cell wall is made up of cellulose. They stored food materials in the form of starch. Reserved food material is in the form of starch. So in plants, it includes algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, and angiosperms. And the last kingdom is in RH Whittaker, Animalia. These are heterotrophic eukaryotic organisms. These are heterotrophic eukaryotic organisms. All organisms are multicellular and there is no cell wall. Stored food material is in the form of glycogen or fat. Mode of nutrition is holozoic nutrition. So nutrition by ingestion of food materials. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share, comment, like and subscribe to my channel.